Have you ever grabbed your morning coffee and felt that tangy kick? Or maybe you've battled a clogged drain with a fizzing mix of baking soda and vinegar. Welcome to the vibrant dance of acids and bases, the unsung heroes behind these everyday moments. In this episode, we're not just mixing chemicals, we're unlocking the everyday magic of the molecular minuet that keeps our world turning. From the citric acid in lemons to the sodium bicarbonate in the kitchen, acids and bases are everywhere. But what exactly makes a substance acidic or basic? It all comes down to something known as the pH scale. Using something known as pH paper or litmus paper, we can test different substances to see where they fall on the pH scale. As a result, the colour of the paper will change, indicating whether our substance is acidic or basic. Let's try this out. Here I have sodium hydroxide, a very basic substance. When I put the paper in the solution, it turns blue. This shows us that the sodium hydroxide is basic. We can compare the colour of the litmus paper to the chart shown here. Now I have hydrochloric acid, one of the most commonly known acids. What do you think will happen when I put the paper into the acid? It turns red, showing that the pH is near 2 to 3. Both acids and bases can be caustics, also known as chemicals that burn humans. But what's the difference between acids and bases? It all comes down to something known as the hydronium ion and hydroxyl ions. If there are more hydronium ions than hydroxyls, things become acidic. If there are more hydroxyl ions, things become bases. From this, we get the pH scale, which actually stands for the power or potential of hydrogen. Side note, sometimes people can write H3O plus as H plus, so be mindful and ask if you are unsure. Furthermore, substances such as water have equal hydronium and hydroxyl ions. These substances are neutral and have a pH of 7. Now, for the big question, what makes strong acids and bases so horrible? Remember how I said that they have an unbalanced amount of ions? Well, they are reactive because they want to be balanced and therefore want negative or positive ions. If you enjoyed, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.